So welcome guys to yet another episode on my channel Explorer Aftab. Today we are going to see the differences between two car seats from the same company, Lovelap. I have two of them. One is this sports convertible, Lovelap sports convertible, and the other is Isofix child seat. So we'll be seeing the differences. What are the differences between the two? And because there are differences in price and how they are installed, and the age group, the weight, so there are certain things which are there in both of them, so we'll be discussing that. But if you want to see the installation of both these seats, you can go to the I button and you can check them out. I have made separate videos for both Isofix seat and as well as the sports convertible. So let's go ahead and see what are the differences. So this one is the sports convertible. If you can see, this has a setup which we have to use seat belts. So you have to run the seat belts through these given places, and you have to tug in the seat belt, and the baby will sit here. It has a height adjustable, so you have to release this knob from here and you can release this shoulder straps and this head strap, and if you when you have to tighten it, you have to simply pull this up. And there is a crouch padding here. Then all this buckle will come and fix it here, both these buckles. So this will fit like that and it will come and fix it here. So 5-point harness system will be ready, and you have to buckle this up. The seat belt, you have to buckle it up here. I think you can see it. So this is the system with sports convertible. And one additional feature in this is you can turn this seat to 3 angles. This is at first angle, then you have to rotate it a little bit, it will go to second angle for front facing. Then if your baby is less than 10 kgs, you have to rotate this seat and the seat will be facing backwards, and you can rotate the seat to one of the angles. So but it is shaky because it is being held by a seat belt. On bumpy roads and on bad terrain, this will be shaky. The height is much more than the Isofix seat. It is a high level, so your baby will be able to see through the windows, and cushions and other things are good. It came with a price tag of 5,399, and I thought this is for up to the age of 4 years. You can use up to 4 years and 36 kgs, I think 25 kgs, I think so. So these are European certified car seats. Next we'll go to the Isofix seats. I'll show you how it is fixed. The cost of this seat, Lovelap Isofix seat, is 9,999 rupees, one short of 10,000. And this seat has a feature of Isofix and back tether. So my car Ultras has a Isofix mount, so I can mount this in my car itself. There are 2 rods which are fixed on either sides. For the complete installation, you can see my video which I have made on this. So this seat get installed in the Isofix mount, and there is a strap which goes behind, and there is a hook out there. You have to fix the hook and tighten up. So this seat gets totally tight up. You can see it's not moving. It's very hard to move, and even in the bad terrain it will not move. But the sitting is low, cushion and other things are good. In this also there is a system. You can pull this up and tight this shoulder straps, and for head you can pull this up and down for your baby's height, and this can be used till the age of 12 years. But practically to use a seat for 12 years, I don't think it will last that long. So These have some hand rest also on either side. It is complete fiber. Everything cushion is given on the seat area and the back support area, and good cushion is there on the sides of the head. So other than that, this cover can be washed on both of them. You can remove the cover and wash them. This is also European certified, and it can go up to age of 12 or 36 kgs. So for installation, you have to see the my installation videos for both of them. I have made separate videos. If practically you will see, this is much easier to fix. You have to just install both the rods into the given slots, and one green button will pop up, and the back tether strap, you have to tie it up at the back of the seat. I'll show you how it works, and it is easy to install. Even the seat belt car seat is also easy, but in starting you will find it bit difficult, but as you practice one or two times, it will be easy for you also. So but this is shaky, you can see it shakes a lot, it moves, and this one is rock steady, it doesn't go anywhere. But the sitting is low, the baby is not able to see the outside. If your mirrors are on the higher side, like this one, this has a higher mirror is on the higher side, so baby doesn't able to see outside. But in that seat it is much easier, and both the quality of both the seats are good. I found the quality of this Isofix to be much better, but the price is also much higher. It's just the double of that car convertible, sports convertible. So let's go at the backside boot space and we'll see how it is fixed. So this is one of the points where you have to fix the hook. It is given on either sides. देखिए top tether, and this is given on this side also, top tether. So there is a hook which you have to fix, and you will see a green color or red color, something like that. It is coming now a red color, and if I will pull it, it will come green. So these are some of the major differences between the two seats, how they are installed. The installation process is different, and the quality and bit of here and there are differences. The price difference is almost of double. So it depends on you, how you, on which roads you are running. I will mostly running on the highways, so I will be choosing one of them. And there are, both seats are good, and both seats are European certified, so you don't have to think much. But do buy a seat, car seat for your child if you have small kids at home, because very much necessary in Indian roads. You are buying such good cars and such safe cars, so why not spend so much money, as little bit money of on these car seats, and secure your babies and friends in that. I will request you to buy car seats if you are driving on long distances, even if you are going for outer cities and nearby areas also. So with that, I would like to conclude this video. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Thanks.